Hello everyone, my name is Roshini Centurion and my topic is social responsibility in the America until intermediate concern in the Australia Oceania. So social responsibility in the America, North America has been spearheading the push towards social responsibility despite not being heavily regulated as compared to other regions in the world, such as Europe, and in the America, social responsibility relies on each company and their will to pursue it. So sa Amerika, particular sa North America, ang ilang social responsibility is not always kontrolado sa gobyerno, kumpara sa iba na rehiyon like Europe. Instead, nakatipindi siya sa kusa or sa kagustuhan sa matag company kung paano nila isagawa ang ilang mga responsable nga obrahonon sa society. So sa United States o Canada, damay kumpanya ang nagsagawa sa mga proyekto na nakakuha sa Corporate Social Responsibility or CSR. Dili tungod sa sugos ang ilabalaod, kundi gusto nila na mapanindot ang imahe sa ilang company, makuha sang trust sa mamalitay, tag mag-ambag sa komunidad. Like for example, may mga company nga nag-promote sa social sustainability, naghatag sang donasyon sa mga charity kag nag-alaga sa kapakanan sa ilang mga empleyado. Because it is voluntary, there are different levels of CSR implementation among companies. So some companies go beyond expectation while other companies do only minimum. Despite this, North America remains a leader in innovative CSR strategies, influencing global business practices through its emphasis on self-regulation, corporate ethics, and public accountability. On the other hand, gisgutan kung anong paglain-lain sa pamaagi sa mga kumpanya sa pag-practice ang Corporate Social Responsibility o CSR. Kung ang CSR kay giobra lang as free for all donation o basta-basta lang sa paghatag, mag-cause ni siya sang confusion about the true meaning of social responsibility. Pero may ibang lat nga seryoso. Gibuhat nila ang CSR sa pamaagi sa pagbuo sa projects kag programs nga nakatabang kayod sa mga social environmental sa problems. Bisan man sa lain-lain nga proyekto, malinaw tag simple ilang mission nga makabilong sa paglutas sa mga problema sa kalibutan, like kapobrehon, edukasyon, kalusugan, tag pangangalaga sa society. So, social responsibility in America is characterized by freedom, initiative, and innovation, where companies choose to act responsibly based on their own principles rather than strict government mandates. So next is immediate concerns in the America. So governance concerns due to the priorities of the United States, it has lost its leaderships in the international arena when it comes to the promotion of socially responsible practices. Despite being one of the pillars of it, now it solely relies on the private sector to promote and push for socially responsible practices. So, in the America, governance plays a critical role in shaping how socially responsible practices are promoted and implemented. Sang una daw ang Estados Unidos kay gikilya nga leader sa tibuok nasod sa pagpakalat sang corporate social responsibility. Pero ang inihay lang ang US kay nagbag-o sang prioridad kag dili na siya aktibo sa panguna sa pandidigang inisyatiba. So, because of that, this shift means that the US are no longer strongly drives global standards or policies for socially responsible practices. Instead, the country now largely relies on the private sector companies, non-governmental organizations, and civil society to advance CSR initiatives. Corporations are expected to take the lead in implementing ethical practices, community engagement, environmental sustainability, and human rights protection. So, in summary, the immediate governance concern in the Americas relies in the U.S. reduced leadership in social responsibility on the international stage. This reliance on private entities shift the responsibility from a coordinated governmental framework to voluntary corporate actions, creating both opportunities and challenges for the effective promotions of CSR. And my third topic is social responsibility in Australia Oceania. So in the Australia Oceania region, corporate social responsibility or the CSR is not as developed, as complex or in the as in the Americas or Europe. While companies in those regions have long established frameworks and extensive CSR initiatives, Australia is still building its systems and practices in the area. So, however, Australia stands out in a unique and context-specific area. CSR initiative that focus on indigenous communities. So, ini nga mga proyekto nagkatinguha nga nasubad ang social, economic and cultural needs of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples nga dugay na naka-experience sang marginalization. Australia's companies engage in projects that may include education, health, employment opportunities, and preservation of cultural heritage, reflecting a socially responsible approach tailored to the country's local context. This shows that even though Australia may not have a broad or advanced CSR systems as Europe or the Americas, and it demonstrates leadership in creating socially responsible projects that are meaningful and creative, sensitive to its indigenous population. So, in that way, ang corporate social responsibility sa Australia kay nakatabang sa katarungan kag paglambos ng ilang komunidad sa usa ka paagi sa makapabag-o sa iba na relihiyon. So, other critical policies that followed is Financial Services Act ay Financial Services Reform Act 2001. So, required the disclosure of labor, social, environmental, and ethical standards and investments for companies offering financial products and services. So, second is Corporation Acts 2003 and 2004. So, mandated companies to show details pertaining to violations of environmental laws as well as licenses in their annual reports. So, the last report is immediate concern in Australia Oceania. So, governance concern, unlike the Americas, CSR standards in Australia are guided and primarily supported by their government, and thus it is essentially organic and tailor-made to their needs and is now considered by the OECD as one of the model countries for CSR practices. And that's all. Thank you.